Okay, well, I got lucky. Simple as that. I got lucky. I got a pair of Jordan 4 University Blues here. Was not expecting to get them, and before I turned the camera on, I said, I'm not gonna complain in this one. Not gonna complain. You guys know what it's like buying shoes right now. I wasn't planning on being able to get a pair of these. I got lucky. I got a pair, and I was like, well, since I got lucky, I need to do a how-to style video. How I would personally wear these shoes. I'm not telling you how to wear them. Maybe you get an idea from this video, maybe you don't. It's all good either way, just expressing how I wanna rock these 4s or how I did rock these 4s, because I kind of challenged myself. I was like, all right, I'm not gonna go out and buy anything to go with this. I'm not gonna plan it out much. I picked up the shoes, I got them, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna throw them on with what I'm wearing right now, which you'll see in this video, and what I'm wearing later today. I went to an indoor soccer game, and I was like, you know what? Throwing them on with what I'm wearing there. This one's a little bit different. These are just outfits I threw together, wearing them throughout the day. This is as organic as it gets, stuff I had in my closet. By the way, let me know which one of these you would rather have. All hype aside, forget the hype. Forget that these resell for 4 times the amount these are probably gonna go for. Forget the hype. Which one do you think is a better shoe? If you want to see how I style more Jordans, make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'm at Eddie Wynn Kicks, and subscribe if you're new, because I'm in the middle of doing a spring lookbook. That's why I didn't have a whole lot of time to do this video. I wanted to get it up quick. I fit it in there. So if you want to see more outfit stuff, definitely subscribe here. There's also men's fashion tips. I really hope you guys enjoy. Hit that thumbs up if you do. And yeah, that spring lookbook will probably be up in a couple days. I'll catch you later. Enjoy. Peace.